Okay guys, here's the album. This was a pre-made album, and yeah, pre-made album. So I did not make the base of this. It was already made. So it closes pretty well. It fits really easily. I want to show you into the bird cage, and I want to show you because, as most of you probably know, I sell all my projects, so this is going to be for sale. So I want you to see how much room there is. So I can stick my hand, and then I can stick my hand. Okay? So there's plenty of room in here to add what you need and for it to still fit in this bird cage. I did another album in a bird cage several years ago, and it was really tight, and I learned from that experience that you have to give it room to expand. So we looked at the cover. Let's go inside. So this is my first page, and all the flowers that I used in this album are flowers that I got at Scrapbooking with Me. They have a large variety of flowers. I can't remember if, I'm pretty sure these are all Primas, but definitely check out all the flowers that they have available. And if you don't like the Prima Havana collection, check out all the other collections they have over there. They always have all the latest stuff in. So I used some wood pieces, painted them white. This says Fearless and then Love. So Fearless Love. And this is, you know, all the papers, sentiments, cut aparts, everything are from the collection. So this opens like this. And there is a pull out here. So you can journal on the back, photo on the front. I used a lot of envelopes in this album. You will see. This is a little cut apart. You could write a little something something there. Then this opens this way. This has a little pocket down here, and it says you, exactly the way you are. I love that. And then this is also a fussy cut image from the collection. So we got our photo mat, journaling on the back. This opens this way, and we've got a photo booklet. And that tucks in that little side envelope. And then on this side, we have another envelope pocket. And this is, I used the Graphic 45 tag dies. And what I did was I used the die for the actual design paper. And then I glued it to white paper, and then I just fussy cut around it. Oh, and the little enjoy is from the cut aparts as well. So let's see, that goes first, then that, then that. Everything is magnetized. So this page is my typical accordion fold pocket. I like to do this a lot. This is my favorite cut apart from the collection. A die from my stash. Pretty butterfly. They painted white, and that opens like that. And your photo can still go behind. Oh, you can't even see that. Your photo can still go behind here. Let me show you. So when you put your photo in, it can go like that. And then also down here at the bottom, this one also folds down, and your photo can go underneath the ticket and the little bird. All right. Now let's go up like this, and let me show you how this comes out. So that's an accordion fold pocket. And all of my little photo mats that are in there, your photo can tuck underneath the ticket. And these are, I believe, let's see what size they are. These are 5x7s. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you could get 10 photos in there, and then 2 photos here. If you wanted to, you could put a photo even there. And that closes down nicely. Okay. There's also a pull-out tag in the back. And that just tucks right in there. Alright, on this page we have several pockets. We have this back large pocket with this large graphic 45 tag die. And you could crop a couple photos, or you could put one photo, and then, there's journaling on the back. Then we've got this tag in the front, which tucks into this little fence pocket. This is a cut apart. Lovely is a cut apart from the collection as well. This, and then I added the bird to that. And then back behind is an acetate pocket. And this is another die I got from Scrapbooking with Me. And it is absolutely stunningly gorgeous. You can see all the details in that. And then journaling on the back. So what I did was I cut the design paper out of the die. I glued it onto white paper, and then I just fussy cut around the edge. So, all right, this page, I've done pages similar to this, but this one's a little different. I added this little wooden frame, and then it says memories. This is the cut apart, and then the flowers. Your photo can go in there where it can still show even behind. Let's see how far down. Yeah. So your 4x6 is still going to fit, because this is a 5x7. And when you put it on there, then you're going to still have the big design paper showing. So this is magnetized and opens like this and like that. And then this one opens like this, and it opens like that. So very funny that I ended up with this same paper and that same paper background. I usually do not do that. So it folds in like that. There you go. So lots of room there. Then on our next page, we have this flip out right here. And this is an envelope, and we've got a couple of little photo mats. This is a cut apart from the collection, so you can write something there. This is another envelope, and I left this empty. To me, I like using something like this to tuck receipts or things like that that I might want to save from a special time. So that's just empty. And then this is a side pocket, and you have this pull-out vellum envelope. This is from the collection, a Grateful Heart with the bird and the ticket. And that opens like that, and you can see the design paper from the other side of here. You can see through the vellum. So that's what it looks like. And then we've got a photo mat and a journaling spot. Or you could put two photos. And that fits comfortably in there and tucks back in there. Then we have this page. We have another graphic 45 tag die. I added the ticket from the collection, thankful. And then the same sentiment, you exactly the way you are. I love that. And beautiful flowers from Scrapbooking with Me. This opens up. Room for a cropped photo here. 4x6 there. This is going to be kind of hard to show. This folds down. This one folds up, down, up, and down. And then we have a little tuck spot right here with a place for journaling. So it's kind of like a waterfall in an odd sort of way. All right, so this page, I created a belly band, and then I added these little pockets with the little tiny graphic 45 tag dies. They slide in there, and again, your photo can go underneath the word happy and family. And there's another one here on this side. Little graphic 45 tag die with the pretty flowers. So these fold open and room for more photos on the inside. And there's like a bunch of tickets. And then the belly band holds this photo booklet and room for more photos. On this page, we have a photo mat here and a bird cage with a bird. This has a pocket, and we've got another one of the different size graphic 45 tag dies there. So that slides in there, and then a nice place for photos. We've got another graphic 45 tag die. This opens out, place for a photo, and then here in the center I made this little pocket so you could put a photo here. And we've got this large graphic 45 tag die with my favorite cut apart, and this is like a Polaroid die, so your photo would go right in there, and then another photo mat. Alright, then on this page we have this, this back pocket with another large photo booklet. And then we have this pull out. This is an acetate pocket. It's a deep pocket. I can stick my whole finger in there. This is cut apart from the collection, and then a butterfly. So this is a little booklet where you could put your photos here. You can put them this way, whichever works best for you. There's paper on both sides. And then we've got 3 tag dies that pull out for more photos and journaling on the back. So there are 3 of those. And that slides in there. And it's not, it's comfortably loose so that when you add your photos, it's still going to fit in this pocket. All right, here we go. Room for a photo here. This is a grateful heart. We've got another, pull out graphic 45 tag die. It's a flower, and that folds up. This one has another tag die with a cute camera from this collection, and that folds down, and then it just houses this other pretty photo mat with that gorgeous die that I showed you guys earlier. And then back here we have another one of those Polaroid photo mats and another photo booklet. In our last 2 pages, I used the photo, what did I just call them? Oh, I'm sorry, it's early. No, it's not early, it's 8:39. But anyway, this is that die, Polaroid, the Polaroid die. This is from the collection. Your photo can go underneath the butterfly. That folds up. And then I just reversed the patterns in there. This folds down. Another one of these beautiful, beautiful die cut photo mats. And then that is in the background. I was running out of paper, guys. And then our last page, I have kind of a cluster here. This is a ticket, the word hugs, cut apart from the collection, and pretty flowers. And then this opens like that. So we got 2, 4, 6, 7 photos. And then these are the large graphic 45 tag dies. They open like that. We're kind of crooked. There we go. And then we have this tag. I run out of little cut aparts to put on these. So we have another tag that tucks back here. So there's room for a photo here and a photo here, and then another photo on there, and you could alter or cut down some smaller photos for inside there. Lots and lots of room for photos, guys. If you're interested in this album, please contact me. My email is always in the description box down below, along with all the information for scrapbooking with me. I want to just take a moment and just say thank you. They've been very kind and good to me, and I hope you guys will continue shopping there. And thanks so much. Happy scrappy day. Bye, guys. Oh, and don't forget my coupon code's in that description box also. Use my coupon code. Okay, guys. See you next time.